the Ibotta and Walmart apps from the App Store. Open Ibotta and choose the grocery store you were going to use. I chose Walmart. Once you're in Ibotta, you can add offers to your list. They can be, there's so many different options to choose from, and the offers change and they expire. So you can add things, and if you use them, great, and if not, it doesn't matter. But you can see the things with the green check marks are things I've already added to my offers list. I may have bought these things before, or just be interested in checking them out because they're cheaper. This is a small commercial. They're 15 seconds long, and you can listen to it with the sound off and just get it over with if you want. But it gives you an option to then go look at the product that they're advertising. So it pops up here, and you can just say no thank you if you don't want to buy that, add that offer to your list. So there's offers from all different departments. Dairy, we don't eat a lot of processed food. We mostly eat organic and whole bulk foods. I always add the produce to my offer list and then check at the store to see if they have that brand. I mostly buy food on here, but they do have hygiene items and they have quite a few items that are not food, but as you can see, there's just a variety of offers, and some stores are going to have these items and some aren't. If you live in a large area or have more of a test store, you may have more access to the new products. Sometimes new products are totally free. They just want you to try their item, and then they'll give you the full price back. So I'll show you an example here with the almonds. It says $2 off the blue diamond almonds. So what I do is I pop over to the Walmart app and then type in blue diamond almonds and see if they have the product, and they do. So it's $2 off, and if I'm going to buy nuts anyway, I might as well just buy the ones with the coupon. So add that to cart, and then I can just go back over to Ibotta and keep looking for different offers. These are a really good deal. They're $2.56 off. They're pretty good crackers. We don't buy a lot of crackers, but for this price, you might as well get them as a little treat. Yeah, because they're only $1.86, so I'm basically getting $2.56 off of 2, which means I'm getting like 2 boxes for $1.16, which is a pretty sweet deal for a couple boxes of crackers. They're like gluten-free, I think, too. Yeah. So, keep going, see what else they have. There's snacks, breakfast items, just basic raisins. Like, there's some really just basic stuff that you can get that you're probably buying anyway. So it's kind of nice to get cash back. They have various beverages, meats and seafoods. The coupons do change, so if there's not things that are like you're really interested in one time, just keep checking back, because if you check back before you go shopping each time, you never know. And sometimes the coupons double up. So like this is a generic coupon for any kind of item, a salmon, and then sometimes there's a brand salmon coupon in addition. And sometimes you can even get a store coupon and add it to that. So it's like practically free sometimes. Health and wellness, pet stuff. And then like random other stuff, whatever they have. $8 back on a George Foreman grill. Funny. Okay, so I guess if you need a grill, it might be a deal. Just check the prices at Walmart and then see if it's worth it. And here's my list of things that I've added to my offers. And you can see it's like flour and butter and basic nuts, barbecue sauce, some like natural, like organic cereals, rice. I have really tea, just like pretty, I don't know, I'd say hopefully kind of healthy stuff, and not a lot of junk and candy. Put some waffles in there. I got a bunch of waffles not too long ago. We don't eat them all the time. It's kind of a treat, but the freezer's full. Benadryl. My kids got stung by wasps, so I bought a bunch of Benadryl with coupons. And then some kind of healthier type treats. And yeah, so that's pretty much what's on my list. And you don't have to buy all name brand stuff. And what's cool is you can try new products that you may have never heard of. And sometimes they're buy one, get one free. Sometimes they're totally free. And so here's what I made, $520.62. And when I reach $20, I cash it out to my PayPal, and then I transfer my PayPal over to my checking account. And you can get bonus offers. Look at this, $10 off for redeeming 32 offers. So I could redeem 32 offers in like 2 shopping trips. So I'm for sure getting another $10 there. And then they have other deals by brand that you can get bonuses. Here's ones I've already finished. $3 off for a midweek shopping trip and $3 off for a weekend shopping trip. And then various other brands have other bonuses. Like if you buy a couple different things from the brand, they'll give you extra. So you can redeem it from any of your stores. I like Walmart because it automatically is connected. I don't have to even scan the receipt. It just instantly, processes the transaction. Anyway, well, I just wanted to show you how you can save a ton of money and get cash back. And that's it. Thank you. And use my referral link, and I would be so grateful. Bye.